They're asleep or they're falling asleep. Should I become a sleepy bedhead too? You know, I am on my best behavior when I am asleep in my bed. When the children go to bed and hibernate, all the bears jump with joy and celebrate. Bear! I went to bed, but I didn't brush my teeth. Bear! I need to drink some water. That's it. Ready to fall asleep. What's this? What's going on? Well, it's sort of like this. This pillow is kind of small. It's kind of small and kind of sort of lumpy. Bear. And now it's sort of like this. Blanket is sort of not snuggly enough. And now it's sort of not comfy enough. Know what I mean? To sleep till the spring and don't watch cartoons? But okay, you know best. What about you? How do you fall asleep? Please try to teach me. Can you share with me your know-how knowledge? That's what I'm talking about. Hibernate the right way. Scientifically, appropriately. And one more. And more. And one more like that. Bear. Maybe they can have the numbers so they could be counted? I tried to count them, but I lost count. Woohoo! Bear. Can they be of all different colors? Woohoo! Hush now, babe, put out the light. Make sure you keep tucked in tight. By your bed the wolfie hides. He will snatch you by your sides. 5 and 4 and 3, 2, 1. He will dance you all night long. Rock-a-bye, bye-bye-bye. Turn the music way up high. Rock-a-bye and roll-a-bye. Move your feet, don't shut your eye. Hush now and turn out the light. You'll be dancing through the night. Rock-a-bye and Humpty-Dump. Wolfie's bopping to the bump. Sheep are bopping on the bed. Thoughts are bopping in the head. Rock-a-bye, bye-bye-bye. Keep the music way up high. Rock-a-bye and roll-a-bye. Move your feet, don't shut your eye. Rock-a-bye, you sleepyhead. Mind you don't roll off the bed. Swirling in a dizzy dance. Sleeping doesn't stand a chance. Not for grown-ups, not for tights.
Rock-a-bye, nighty-night.
Rock-a-bye, bye-bye-bye. Play the music, play it live. Rock-a-bye and roll-a-bye. Move your feet, don't shout. Move your feet, don't shout. Move your feet, don't shut your eyes. will do just fine. What if he sneezes? But we were just kinda, you know. Oh, that. Well, it sort of happened like this. It's a perfect day to ride in a sleigh. Oops. Why is he speeding like that? Bear, a tree, a tree! Let's run and help him! Well, you know the rest. Oh, wow! Ah, this is so cool. Stop now! Wait! Watch out! Watch out! Wait! No, no, can somebody please stop me? Bear, get me out of this! I've had enough! Wait! Watch out! Watch out! Turn now! More to the left! And we are home. Bear, a tree, a tree! Woo-hoo! Oh, wow! Ah, this is so cool. Stop now! Wait! How do you stop this thing? Watch out! Where are the brakes on this thing? Watch be really good. I'll be good. I'll be good. If you want to use a belt. I deserve it. So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha and the